Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will, finally, it's like January the 30th, 31st actually, I finally got my Earfleek. And it did come in a different package this month. We normally get the little pink envelope, and we got this one. And it's a little different. So here is the front of it, here's the back. I went ahead and ripped the little thing off. And it says, fashion is what you buy. And it says, Earfleek, style is what you do with it. But I do like it. It kind of looks like, and then it says Earfleek on both sides. I haven't opened this. So this is like you get in your beauty subscription, like with Ipsy's and some of the other ones. The color Ipsy used to be. Okay. So I can't believe it's finally January the 31st, and I just now get it. So it's like 2 weeks late. Okay, and it's still different. Okay, so we got our cards to referral people. So you can give a free month, get a free year. You, I guess, put this in, and they'll put you in a giveaway to get for a free year. Protect this card like it's cash. I don't, but okay. And this month is what's different. I just see something I don't like, but this month it's in a little baggie. Actually has a little price tag on it. I don't know if you guys can spot what's wrong yet. I think that my earrings look broke, so I hope not, because I've waited. My lighting is like terrible today. So I'm just going to pour it out on the envelope it came in, because there's little pieces in here and it don't look right. And I didn't think it was. Okay. First thing, it is a cute little bag. I've had my earrings be broke one time that I could fix. I fixed them. It was no problem. So this little card in here says Earfleek, and it says that $15.99 USDA, and then then gives different prices. So I guess if you live in America, these are worth $16. Mine are worth $0. So here is part of the earring. They are both like that. And here is another part of my earrings. They kind of look like they had like a little, I guess, for this to go up in. And here is the rest of my earrings. They're in pieces. Normally, I mean, one time I had them like, the O-rings is what you call them, came off, and I had extra O-rings anyway, but it still had their O-rings, and it was easy to fix. This I cannot fix at all, because these came out of the little their little container, and there's just no way to fix these. So I guess I've never had to contact Earfleek, so I guess I will be contacting them and telling them that my earrings are shattered to pieces. They're not worth anything. Normally, Earfleek has always been like a good subscription for me. I've never really had any problems. Earfleek is a monthly subscription. They mail out the same day they charge your card, which is the 15th of the month. So it's $3.49. If you use a friend's referral code, I will leave mine down below. It's half off, and you get, and sometimes you do get a free pair of earrings. Sometimes it's $1.75, and sometimes it's just depends on what they're doing. You could get a free pair. But, I mean, this is the worst it's ever been. They probably would have been cute. I don't know if I would have wore them or not. I mean, I could imagine. But you do get to, the good thing about Earfleek is, you do get, like, they have an inventory, like, you can swipe and tell them what you like and what you don't like. I like that part about it. Because normally you get stuff that you do like, but I don't know if I'd like these or not. I don't know. Looking at them, I don't think I would have wore them. Maybe, probably not. Because I don't know. They just really don't look like something I would want. I mean, the fabric is pretty. It's like a silky material. Maybe that's why they put it in this envelope, thinking maybe it was better protected, which it was not. But I don't know. Mine does look like it had a piece of like stepped or something on it, and I don't know. Not stepped on, but like maybe a bigger package or something squished it right here and just broke it. I'm not really for sure. But normally it is a good subscription to have because, I mean, normally you do get stuff that you kind of will wear, maybe not. As long as you're doing your inventory, I've not had a problem as long as I do that. Now, if I don't do my inventory, yes, I get earrings that I know I'll never wear. But it is a nice little thing to get. For $3.49, you really can't go wrong. You're getting a new pair of earrings every month. So it's like a little nice pick-me-up, a little gift to yourself. But I guess that is it. I will contact Earfleek and tell them about my problem and see what they will do. So I guess that's it for today. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video, even though it was just seeing broken earrings. But I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.